Audi S5 sedan is a masterpiece of performance and refinement, blending sportiness with everyday luxury. With a striking new design, enhanced powertrain, and cutting-edge technology, the S5 continues to set the standard for premium sport sedans. Striking design and aerodynamic precision. Audi's signature single-frame grille dominates the front, flanked by sharp LED matrix headlights for a more aggressive stance. The sculpted body lines enhance aerodynamics, while the available black optic package adds a stealthy touch with blacked-out trim and 19-inch alloy wheels. The S5's wide stance and quad exhaust tips emphasize its high-performance DNA. Turbocharged performance. Under the hood, the 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 delivers 349 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque, launching the S5 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds. Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive ensures superior grip, while the sport-tuned suspension and available adaptive dampers offer a precise and exhilarating driving experience. The 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission provides seamless shifts for both spirited driving and relaxed cruising. Luxurious and tech-filled interior. Inside, the S5 exudes sophistication with premium materials, diamond-stitched leather seats, and a driver-focused cockpit. The 12.3-inch Audi Virtual Cockpit and 10.1-inch MMI touchscreen deliver a seamless infotainment experience with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Ambient lighting, a Bang & Olufsen sound system, and a panoramic sunroof complete the premium atmosphere. Advanced safety and driver assistance. Equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features, the S5 offers adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. Audi Pre-Sense technology enhances safety by detecting potential collisions and taking preventive measures. Conclusion: a sports sedan like no other. The 2025 Audi S5 sedan perfectly balances power, luxury, and advanced technology. Whether carving through winding roads or cruising in comfort, it delivers an exhilarating yet refined driving experience. Stay tuned to the showroom spotlight for more in-depth reviews of the latest performance and luxury vehicles.